following audio experiment is presented by Dark Matter Magazine. Your voluntary participation is appreciated.
The House of Shapes by Hailey Piper. Molly Cross had never hated a house before the Tonner house rotted overnight. She spotted it while her father walked her up their neighborhood's cracked sidewalk to the bus stop at Lane's End. He didn't glance. His stiff neck aimed ahead, but Molly couldn't tear her eyes away. At last, he noticed her lagging.
"What's keeping you?"
Molly pointed.
"Tonner house? What of it?"
"It's different now," she said. Every house on Marigold Lane grew on similar architectural bones, each coated in the same white plaster and auburn shingles. Even after the Tonners disappeared 2 months ago, their house hadn't changed. Now it slanted to one side, its graying plaster pockmarked with white fungus. What was once in rhythm with its neighbors had been eaten away by years since last evening. What she saw at the center of the living room paralyzed her. Most of the room looked as expected. Soft furniture, a brick fireplace, a collection of lighthouse paintings lined the walls. But the thing sitting in the green chair by the fireplace did not belong. Here, Molly found the starlight. It had been eaten by the shifting yet vaguely humanoid rip in the air, and now it danced in this shapeless thing's midnight body. She knew it on sight. This was the thing that had twisted the Tonner house, and that had frightened away birds and starlight. Had it planted the idea tree? Molly couldn't be sure. It was too alien to predict, like a cold patch of outer space given a seat on Marigold Lane. And if it could do all that, what else?